Hi, good morning. We are here in Medical Massage Professional in the Kissimmee, Orlando area, Florida, with one patient from
Hawaii.
Hawaii. Well, thank you for your visit from Hawaii. How many hours from?
10 over 10 hours.
Oh,
It was 10 and a half.
was hard, right?
Long trip. Yeah.
Oh, long trip. So, what is the reason that you are here? You flew from Hawaii to Florida, Kissimmee.
Yeah, so in May 2023, I went to the Dominican Republic and I had lipo 360 and a BBL. While I was there, I was getting my regular post-op massages twice a day. I was there 2 weeks post-op. Even I would have a massage in the morning and in the evening time. And when I was there, they would open up my incision and squeeze all the fluid out, or they would use a syringe to take the fluid out. And maybe about 1 week after, I started to notice that my stomach was still very swollen, very starting to get lumpy, but I just kept going with the massages. Yeah, I was still recovering there. And then when I came back to this United States, I noticed the lumpiness is more and more. The swelling is going down, but the lumpiness is coming more. So I decided to continue post-op massages in the United States. I was doing one massage a day for another month.
Oh, wow.
And then at that time I tried wood therapy, cupping, vacuum therapy, all sorts of different things, and nothing was helping it get better. And then after a couple of months, I was wearing my compression, continued to wear my compression. I just thought maybe I have to live with the results. And then I was able to find your place on Instagram, and I saved my money to come here.
Okay, good. Thank you. So, when you wrote in the Instagram to and the Instagram show up this place, what you wrote fibrosis or what?
I was just looking up on Google, Instagram, TikTok, fibrosis treatment, or I would just look up fibrosis, and many pages came up, but your page had the most like evidence based, like before and after. I saw many cases where you helped many people, so I knew this was the best place to come. It was worth it to.
Thank you. Yeah, because we are the only people or the only practice in the world that can show more than 1,200 before and after picture and more than 300 videos with testimonial in our YouTube channel. So, and also we have a two technique with pattern in United States that at the other places they don't have it, because I don't teach the technique. I'm the creator. I don't teach, so I don't know where these people the knowledge come from, because they try different thing like you did, right?
Yeah, and nothing helped. I kept going for more massages, and the same with cupping and vacuum therapy. Nothing was helping.
No. Unfortunately, when you get a fibrosis, I said that is the most common condition after liposuction, but one of the most hard to remove it. So I don't know why they try to remove fibrosis with machinery that they are for fat. If fibrosis is not fat, this is the first thing. So, well, and also you need to get a protocol to do that. So, do you have some advice with people with fibrosis, how they have to recognize what they have to do? Do you have something to tell them?
Yeah, absolutely. I wish I would have come sooner. I've learned that as soon as you notice that it's uneven, lumpy, that's the best time to come to Florida, because that's Miriam knows the best, and it's a waste of time and money to go somewhere else. And that's what my advice is: come sooner rather than later.
Thank you. But it's not just, something related to marketing. The point is that I know that people start to try different things. They waste money, but also they waste time. Time that is very, very important or the first stage of the after the surgery to fix the fibrosis. More time passes worse, right?
Yeah.
It's much harder, more painful. And for example, at the beginning, you can immediately can be a stage 1, but you wait, I don't know, 1 year after can be a stage 3 or 4 because with the time, the fibrosis can be worse and worse, especially when you try different things that they are not working. So probably you consolidate the fibrosis. Well, thank you for your visit. I know that was really hard for you, more than 10 hours, and then you got that to stop, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. When you gonna come back? Tomorrow?
I'm leaving tomorrow at 5 a.m.
Oh, well, thank you for everything, for your testimonial, and bon voyage. Thank you, girls. Thank you. Bye-bye.